Hello and welcome to RPA Automation. In today's video, we will discuss how to change the version of package in Automation Anywhere. This feature is particularly useful when you need to update or revert to a specific version of the capability or functionality reasons. So let's explore this action. In Automation Anywhere, you can see there are pre-built so many packages available. But if you want to change your versions of package, like if you want to go back to the old version of package, so how we can change that versions? So in Automation Anywhere, you can see here. Three three dots is available, so simply click on that and click on packages. So you can see available packages. There are so many types of packages available. So if you want to change your version of package, so like we can take one example. So like I need to change email package version. So what will be the approach for that? So you can see here default version of package is selected. So if you want to change version, just click on that drop down, and if you can select here which version you want, right? So from that drop down you can change your you can select your package, and after selecting, like I have selected this version, and you just need to click on this change version button, so it will change automatically, right? So like that you can change any number of package which you want to change or which you want to update. So this is very simple technique to change your how to change our versions of package. So this question is asked during the interview, but no one can able to give answer. This question is look like simple or seems like simple, but so many people are failed because they have not they are not able to give this proper answer. So it's very simple question and very useful question also. But but make sure if you change your package version, then make sure you need to test your work, right? Before testing, you cannot do anything. So here are some best practice when changing package versions. So always test in a staging environment before updating in production. And next step is you can keep track of which bot really on the package to avoid unexpected issues. Then next, document the version changes for future references. Right. So make sure you have tested all the functionalities for your package, and it's working fine. Then you can move to the next package. So this uh, this is the tips for guys, and that's it. Changing the version of package in Automation Anywhere is straightforward, and ensure your bot run with the most suitable configuration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Automation for more such content. See you in the next video.